Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to do the CPU throttling test comparison between the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor versus Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. Right now I do have the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset from the ROG ROG Phone 6 device, which has got a latest Snapdragon processor, and let's do the CPU throttling test side by side with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. As you can see, 8 Gen 1 and the 8 Plus Gen 1 from the ROG Phone 6. We're going to find out what's going on with the overall throttling comparison, and which will be having what kind of high temperatures and which will be having what kind of high scores as well. And while doing this kind of testing, the X mode is turned off. You can see the X mode is off completely, and there is no monster mode. I'm not using anything, nothing at all. Let's do the actual test side by side using the 100 threads and 15 minutes of time. I'm going to run this kind of CPU throttling test extreme, and you can see the initial temperatures are 27 and 26, which is not bad, which is kind of very close to each other. And let's start the test and let's see which phone will be having what kind of throttling. So again, I'll be back after 5 minutes of starting the test. Let's see friends, which will be having what kind of eating and everything. So here's a quick look at the comparison between the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor and the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. It is a CPU throttling graph after 9 minutes of time, and you can definitely see the 8 Plus Gen 1 slightly kind of throttling a lot. You can see how the graph is, and it is a 8 Gen 1 processor as well. And the performance numbers and temperatures 39 degrees, 34 degrees. You can definitely see, friends, slightly better in the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 regarding the temperatures when you compare with this phone. Again, I'll be back after some time. And you can take a look at the performance numbers as well, how it is between these both phones, performance numbers clearly. And throttling slightly more in the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. You can definitely see here, friends, how it's happening here. And I'm going to be back after some time. So finally, friends, we got some CPU throttling graphs between these both phones. So iQOO Neo 6 with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor versus ROG Phone 6 with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. As you can see the difference regarding the overall graphs. So this is how the graph is. CPU throttle up to 78%, 64%, and 38 degrees and 32 degrees. So slightly kind of temperatures is definitely lower in the ROG Phone 6. That's really good. Doesn't matter what test I do, the temperatures are less. That's the thing which is about this gaming mobile phone. That's how it's designed to keep the really very cool. So that's something you should know about. And this is regarding the performance numbers. You can see the performance numbers 452 and 384, 319, 342, 285 and 286 minimum and average scores. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching, and meanwhile signing off. This complete test is done without using any monster mode, no X mode, nothing is used. Next time I'll definitely use it and compare, and then we'll try to see the graphs what's happening. And I'm trying to use with the 100 threads. 100 threads is the highest I can actually use in this application, so which will put a lot of pressure on the CPU and the GPU. And meanwhile signing off until instead of more updates, and bye.